Moyenne, Cinda Mike. So today, I am on a mission. I want to see how much of Luxembourg I can see in a single day using nothing but public transportation. So right now, I'm in Luxembourg City, but I'm going to head north to Clairvaux, then over to Insenborn on the Stausee, over to Echternach in the Mullertal, down along the Moselle to Rhemisch, then zip across the Minette to Belval. And then I am going to do the home stretch back here to Luxembourg City. And I'm going to start this whole thing right about now. First up, hop on the tram and head for the train. So this vehicular funicular doesn't go perpendicular down the hill, but rather it takes a more slanted, gradual approach. So here is my strategy. I'm using the Mobilitate app. What I do is I put in my destination, so it tells me what time I'm going to get there, and then when I need to get back to my next destination, I hit this double arrow thing. Here is my itinerary. You can see I've worked it all out. But right now, I'm going to go find a seat. Hey, Beauchai Castle. I remember the first time I was in Clairvaux, we were on an all-day mountain bike ride from Trois Verges to Luxembourg City. And we came out of the woods, and there was this beautiful little village with this brilliant white castle that just totally blew my mind. Okay, so we arrive at Clairvaux 8:44, and the train leaves back for Edinburgh at 9:14, which gives us a half hour. All right, Clairvaux. And we're heading for Clairvaux Castle, which this thing says 1 kilometer away, and it should take me 12 minutes. That's not right. I can do it faster than 12 minutes. Perfect timing. We can hear the bells of the Abbey. Wow, so cool. All right, there it is, Clairvaux Castle. They said 12 minutes, we did it in 9. Yeah. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gotta get back to the train. You guys got time to just stand around doing nothing? Come on, man, we gotta go. Ah, train. They can start doing some crossing off here. Clairvaux is done. Next up, Edinburgh. But I got some time. I think I will just